Alright, in this video I'm going to be talking about the early access program is currently full. Space may open up later real quick. So this is a problem that usually surfaces up as you try to zap on your real quick 2022 as you try to download it from Google Play Store. So in this video I'm going to show you more information about it. So let's get started. So when you try to go to Google Play Store and try to download this application known as Real Cricket 2022, it's in brackets early access. You will notice that when you go there and try to type in Real Cricket 2022 as you try to download it, they will bring you instead of the real installing icon that usually shows below to install the application, it brings you the early access program is currently full. Space may open up later. So if you're not well acquainted with early access, usually early access is it's like when an application is not yet officially released, but they really make it available like right there, and then some users may install it and maybe test it and give feedback to the developers so that they could really develop a better feature of the application. So that is the early access. It's almost like beta tester program, but not yet, but yeah. So when you see this problem coming up, the early access program, you just have to wait, and until the developers avail more people to access the application, and that's it. Maybe another way of accessing it would be when the current people who have got the early access are able to leave. Maybe you can really get the early access to this application. That's the video. If you like the video, hit subscribe and hit the like for the algorithm to recommend the video. Thanks for watching.